Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to use Meta AI on WhatsApp or Instagram, it is very simple because it is already built into the apps. First, make sure that your WhatsApp or Instagram is updated to the latest version. Next, open WhatsApp or Instagram and look for the Meta AI search bar or chat option at the top of the screen. Tap on it and start typing your question. You can ask anything like ideas or help with messages. And then on WhatsApp, you can chat directly with Meta AI like a contact on Instagram. You may find it in the search messaging section depending on your update. Just type your message and Meta will reply instantly with answers or suggestions. Now you can easily use Meta AI on WhatsApp or Instagram. Thank you for watching. See you in the next guide.